In this video, you will learn how to use chicken and kitchen correctly. And you will also practice using chicken and kitchen. Here, we can see both a chicken and a kitchen. But which is the chicken and which is the kitchen? Listen and repeat. Chicken. 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 Kitchen. 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 Chicken. 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 Kitchen. 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 If you like this video, subscribe and turn on all notifications. And if you really like this video, you can buy me a coffee. The link's in the description. Thanks. Watch the following video clips and say what you see. Chicken or kitchen? Make sure you say the word out loud so that you can practice pronouncing it correctly. Here come the answers. Chicken. Kitchen. Kitchen. Chicken. Kitchen. Chicken. Practice using chicken and kitchen more by writing sentences in the comments. Next, check out this playlist of other English words that you might be using incorrectly. Or watch this video, which I also think you'll love. Good luck with your English!